Massive flames engulfed a motor vehicle showroom in Guwahati's Basista area in the early hours today. According to reports, the massive fire broke out at an Isuzu and Benelli showrooms on National Highway 37 near Basista. The showrooms reportedly belonged to Prague news owner Sanjeev Narayan. The reason behind the major fire is believed to be an electrical short circuit, said officials who reached the spot. Moreover, a cylinder inside the premises also caught fire and exploded, spreading the flames further, added officials. Meanwhile, as many as 8 fire tenders were rushed to the site of the incident, and after struggling for a while, they were able to douse the flames. Several cars inside the showroom were completely gutted in the fire, causing damages to the tune of lakhs. However, several vehicles stored in the backside of the showroom were saved from the flames due to the quick action of the fire department in bringing the fire under control. In addition, there have been no reports of any casualties or injuries in the incident so far.
Yeah, Benelli showroom.